Start-up companies. A startup is a company that's at the beginning of its journey as a business. Startups are usually associated with one innovative idea that their founders came up with, offering a service or a product that brings something new to the market. Many new businesses grow out of existing businesses and may be well-financed and able to afford shiny new premises or offices. But startups tend to have a very different profile. Startup companies start small. Some of the world's most famous startups began as businesses operating from their founders' bedrooms, basements, garages, or gardens. They typically get money from family and friends, crowdfunding, or loans. It is no accident that the age of startups has coincided with the rise of the internet and apps on communication devices. After all, the web offers so many new ways of providing services and reaching customers. Startup founders are often still in school or college and very tech-oriented. And when their businesses begin to take off, they are usually considered cool, exciting places to work. There are certain parts of the world where startups have flocked together. Around the globe, places which specialize in industries like high-tech, AI, biotechnology, and green engineering, usually also home to major research universities, attract startup companies. Silicon Valley is probably the world's most famous startup hub, a place where startups mix with industries, and businesses support companies and investors. So closely, in fact, is Silicon Valley tied to startup culture that it is now home to a startup college called Make School. The college takes students who are passionate about building apps and, through a 2-year program, guides them towards being software developers and startup founders. Are we looking at the next Bill Gates or Mark Zuckerberg?